Every time I settle a cross-border payment in seconds, for fractions of a cent, I'm reminded of why I chose to build my career around Stellar. After 2 decades navigating IT infrastructure and blockchain systems, I can say with confidence that stablecoins have quietly become the most transformative financial primitive of our generation, and Stellar is one of the networks quietly leading that charge. Let me share what I'm seeing on the ground, both as a practitioner and as someone who genuinely believes we're at an inflection point for digital money. Why USDC on Stellar changed the game. When Circle expanded USDC to the Stellar network, it wasn't just another chain integration, it was a strategic alignment of philosophies. Stellar was built for payments, not speculation. That distinction matters. Consider the numbers. A typical Stellar transaction settles in 3 to 5 seconds and costs around 0.00001 XLM, effectively fractions of a cent. Compare that to traditional correspondent banking, where a remittance can take 2 to 5 business days and carry fees of 6 to 7% on average, per World Bank data. For a family in Latin America receiving money from abroad, that difference is groceries for a week. In my consulting work, I've helped fintechs use USDC on Stellar as a settlement layer between fiat on-ramps. A payment provider can accept local currency, convert to USDC, move value instantly across borders, and cash out on the other side, all without holding a treasury full of exposed foreign currency. I've architected exactly these pipelines, and the reliability of Stellar's Path Payments feature is what makes multi-currency conversion feel almost magical to end users. The rise of BRL stablecoins and regional relevance. The Brazilian Real, BRL, story is particularly close to my heart. Brazil already leads the world in real-time payment adoption thanks to PX, which processes billions of transactions monthly. But PX stops at the border. That's where BRL-denominated stablecoins on Stellar step in. Projects issuing BRL tokens, like BRLA and others building on Stellar's anchor infrastructure, are bridging domestic instant payments with global liquidity. Imagine a small exporter in São Paulo receiving USDC, swapping to BRL on-chain, and settling into their bank account via PX, all in under a minute. This isn't theoretical. Anchors on Stellar make this composable today.